In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Audible sync your listening position on iPhone. If you've ever switched from your iPhone to another device and found your audiobook starting in the wrong spot, this quick setup will fix that. We'll turn on a single setting in the Audible app and make sure your phone stays connected so your progress updates automatically in the background. Start by opening the Audible app on your iPhone. Give it a moment to load your library if it's been a while. From the main screen, look down at the bottom right corner and tap Profile. This is where you'll find your account details and the app's preferences. Inside your profile, tap Settings. It usually looks like a small gear icon near the top of the screen. Settings is the control center for how Audible behaves while you listen, and that's exactly what we want to adjust next. Now tap Player Settings. These options affect how the player works when you're in the middle of a book. Things like narration speed, sleep timer, and most importantly for us, syncing. Find the option labeled Sync Listening Position and make sure it's toggled on. When this is enabled, Audible saves your current place and pushes that information to your account so other devices can pick up right where you left off. If the switch looks gray or is positioned to the left, tap it once so it turns on. When it's on, you'll typically see the switch highlighted, indicating that syncing is active. For syncing to actually happen, your iPhone needs to stay connected to the internet. That can be Wi-Fi or cellular data, either works. If you're offline, Audible will remember your progress locally and then sync as soon as your connection returns. To keep things smooth, avoid long periods in airplane mode while you're moving between devices. A quick check that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is on before you switch to another device can save you from losing your place. That's it. Opening Audible, going to Profile, Settings, and Player Settings, turning on Sync Listening Position, and keeping your phone connected ensures your audiobook progress follows you automatically. The next time you move from your iPhone to a tablet, a different phone, or even a compatible speaker, your place should be waiting for you without extra effort. If you ever notice a mismatch, give your app a moment on a stable connection, and it will catch up. With syncing enabled, your stories stay perfectly in step, no matter where you listen.